Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here is another engulfing zone trading strategy. You see here I placed my trade. I wanted to place one trade, but the trade was not executed. I pressed 4 times, then the trade executed. So let's continue. You see here gap up. Here is gap up. I will place put option even though there is gap up, because here you see engulfing breakout. I see weak sellers here, so I'm expecting strong sellers after this candle. After weak sellers, after breakout, you see weak sellers, then you should expect strong sellers. After breakout, you see weak buyers, you should expect strong buyers. So that's why I place my trade here, put option, even though there is gap up. So I'm expecting market to reverse here. You see momentum here, so I know definitely it will close below my entry point, even though there is momentum. You see, I will place put option again. You see, this is winning trade but close in the money, because I'm expecting strong sellers, but sellers didn't enter. So now I know definitely sellers must enter now. That's why I place my trade put option again, because after breakout of the engulfing candle, at any moment you should expect sellers to enter. After breaking out the engulfing zone, you see engulfing zone breakout, then I see weak sellers. I'm expecting strong sellers, so I'm expecting strong sellers on this candle, but sellers didn't enter. So that's why anytime try to get good entry point. You see, even though I couldn't, the sellers didn't enter, the trade is not losing. But you see sellers now entry. So let's check another zone. So here you see engulfing. So engulfing here. Now let's check another one. You see still here sellers is entering. So I wanted to take 5 trades today on engulfing zone trading strategy. So here you see engulfing, strong engulfing. And gap up, I will wait. Let me see this one. You see gap up. Market is bad. You see still. But here you see engulfing, and this is like double top. So this is double top. I will wait, because if I'm trading double top, I will place continuation after this candle. So but I'm trading engulfing zone trading strategy, so I will wait for the good opportunity. for the good zone. You see I missed this one. No, here is no engulfing here. Got this candle, but here is engulfing, and this one is not engulfing. It's not engulfing. Only here you see engulfing. You see it's engulfing. Market is bad. So let me wait for the next candle here. Yes, I will wait. You see engulfing. Then here is like another engulfing here. This is the zone. Yes, you see rejection. Rejection. Yes, here. This is engulfing. I'll place call option here because this is engulfing zone. Coming. So you see here market is doing panic, but here is very strong area. I know it must give me winning trade. So we have 5 seconds. You see bias entry. So this is very strong area. You see. So I will stop trading. I took total 4 trades. All are winning trades based on engulfing zone trading strategy. You see here, this is the first trade here. Before I start the video, I just see this opportunity. You see here, this is engulfing, these 2 candle. If you do mass, it's 1 candle. Then you see market break the engulfing zone, then you place your trades, call option. So I placed 1 trade here. Because of the network, the trade was not executing. I pressed 4 times, then the trade is executed all the 4 trades at once. That's why you see $34 once. So here, yes, this is the second trade here, close in the money, because you see strong momentum, and here is engulfing zone, another engulfing zone. Here is the breakout of the zone. Here is the weak candle at the zone. Then you should expect strong candle. I'm expecting strong candle, but market didn't, because of this gap. Sometimes even if there's gap, you should expect strong candle. So that's why I place my trade. I'm expecting strong sellers candle, but you see close in the money, because anytime you have to try to get good marginal of safety entry. So that's why I win this trade. You see, then the third trade here, after this candle, still I know because of the breakout, at least market has to reach this zone before it reverses. You see market reached the zone, you see reverse. So that's why I place my trade here. Engulfing, breakout. So you should expect sellers. So you know definitely market must reach this level. After market reaches this level, you see reverse. So that's why I place my trade. Put option again. So here is the last trade here. This is the last trade here. So here you see these 3 candles engulf these 2 candles, and the market close at the zone with the rejection. So you should expect buyers. That's why after market close at this zone, I see rejection, then I'm expecting buyers. I place my trade, call option. So I have told you this strategy doesn't need any support and resistance. You don't need to draw support and resistance. You don't need to draw trend line. Only draw the zone. Only you can draw the zone. If you can identify the zone without drawing, you can take your trade here. You see here is engulfing. Here is engulfing. Market close, then call. So that's why I placed my trade. So I took total 3 trade based on engulfing trading strategy. So if you like my video, like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.